Hello everybody, today's July 25th. This is a Sony Xbr2 60-inch. We're going to do a light engine removal today, and this also works for the Xbr2 70-inch. Alright, I'm going to turn it around here. Okay, so first thing you want to do is remove the lamp. Which you probably have done before. And don't forget to put the cover back on when you're all done, because it won't fire up without that cover on. So that's really important. This is a 180 watt lamp. It's what gives it that nice picture. And anyway, okay, so the first thing you want to do, the next thing you want to do is, see this screw right here? You want to undo that. So you just pop that out, and it takes this cowling off right here. Pull that out. Voila. Alright, let's get to work. Now the next thing you want to do, oh, by the way, this is a 3-inch extension, magnetic tip, Phillips #2 head. It's the best setup. Okay. Come on over here. I don't think there's a video out there for this Xbr2, that's why I'm making this. And I'm doing it outside. It's a nice day, and I just feel like doing it outside. It's called being a shade tree mechanic, right? Come on. Alright. That should be it. Now this cover pops off. Take that off. Slip your cord through there. And let's go. And I guess let's focus on this. This is called the electrical chassis. And it's real easy to take out. Unlike the other ones, it does have a couple of screws down here that hold it in place. So undo those 2 screws. Well, 4. Oh, looks like there might be more. Okay. Undo your ground wire here. You just kind of gotta squeeze that, and it'll unclip it. Alright, now I'll come on over here. These wires go to the light engine. Okay, squeeze, pull that out. This one here is a low voltage digital signal that goes to the light engine. Squeeze and pull that out. It's kind of fragile, so be careful. Alright, got that all done. Now, let's see, what other screws do we have here? We got one here. And I think that's about it. Okay, come on over here. See these struts? It's probably a good idea, once you take this chassis out, to put the struts back in, just so you don't get any warpage on the plastic. You know, it's kind of heavy. So maybe put these two struts back in. There's two of them. And slide this out. Make sure you unclip this. You just put your thumbnail right there and you unclip that. There's another ground wire. You push down, pull it out. And there's a few connectors here. Now all these wire connectors are keyed, so you can't mix them up. It's idiot proof, okay? As long as you match black to black and white to white, you're okay. And it looks like we're gonna have to undo all these too, but it's no big deal. You just undo them. Don't worry about it. Okay. And this is your cooling system. It's supercharged. Really good cooling system. This gray and white wire goes to the ballast, okay? And this is your ballast right here. That's what turns on your lamp. So what you want to do is there's a little clip on top. Just unclip that. Gently. Now, we should, there's some more over here. So we got a couple of these here. Let's see if I can figure this one out. Okay, there's that one. And boy, that's a big one. I should know how to do this, but I don't get to work on XBR2s very often.
Cream of the crop.
Yeah, hard to find. Okay, so there you go. Now, we got one more wire over here. You guys don't need to come over. Alright. There's your electrical chassis, guys, okay? That's it. Just be careful with it. Right. Now, our next step is to remove the cooling system. And that's right here. So, that screw. And this one right here. Okay, and take out the strut. Looks like somebody else is in this one. And these are called purse clips. You undo those. Remember to put these back in once you got the light engine out. Alrighty. This little wire right here goes to your ballast. It's the control. Alright, undo that. And there you go. There's your fan in there. There's a fan in there. You might want to blow it out. But if you're using compressed air, don't spin that baby up too high or it'll blow up. And it hurts. I've done it. Okay. Now, the next thing we want to do is take out this ballast. So, looks like there's just one screw in this one. Okay, just leave that right there. And then we want to remove a couple of these screws. This one. This one. This one. And let's see if we're done on that. And it looks like, where's the other one at? It must be this one right here. No, it's not. Well, this is making me look bad. How did we do that before? We're gonna have to edit this out. that broke it. So you don't want to do that because that broke it. Oh, there's a screw right there. Okay, see that screw right there? That's one. Alright. But you don't want to do what I did and break it. Then this will all come out. Now, you can clean that out, but don't spin it up, alright? Because it'll blow up on you too. You want to clean that out, see how it's kind of dirty? Alright, let's go a little deeper here. So, get your ballast, your squirrel cage fan. And that one. Let's see what this does. Okay, that comes out nice without breaking anything. Take that out, it fits right around there. See, when you reinstall it, it'll fit right on these. And now let's go a little deeper. Alright, there's a screw tucked way in there. Alright, let's see what we get here. Alright, that comes out real nice. So, there's your ballast and some plastic. Alright, now the next thing you want to do is take off this dust cover. And right behind that's the light engine. Sony did a real good job of keeping dust out of the light engine. So I really like the way they designed it. Take off your screws. Let's see what else we got. There's one in here. There's one right here. Alright, and then you want to take it. See this little clip right here? Don't let that get you down. Get your screwdriver and kind of, I don't have a screwdriver on me, but I'll pull it out there. Now, be careful with these wires. You want to slide it out. Alright. Now that's your light engine right there. You're done. There's one more thing to do. And remember when we took that front cowling off? I was talking to you about? Alright. So, you only want to remove 2 screws. This one, right here, and this one, right there. Am I getting it? Let's see. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Okay, now let's go around back. Are you ready for this? There you are. That's your light engine right there. Now the first thing you want to do is you don't grab it by the lens because sometimes they're loose. So let's see if this one's loose. Ah, you see that? That's not good. Okay. So if you see that, you just hold it right there and you take that screw out and you put it right there. And then it'll tighten up. The plastic is shrunk on this, so no matter how tight you tighten it, it's not going to hold it. You put it from here over to here and it's not going to move. That way, I focus it at the shop, but let's not cause any more problems than we need to. Okay? Now, your serial number is right here, 9016529. That'll identify your light engine for warranty purposes. I would recommend taking, for shipping, take that screw out, that screw out, that screw out, that screw out, and this just comes right off. That way these aren't going to get damaged. Okay? Now you're going to want an 18 by 12 by 12 box. Okay? You can use whatever you want. Okay. First off, you got to put a sock over the lens, okay? That's the very first thing you want to do, actually, before you check to see if it's loose. Now, put a sock over the lens. Get your 18 by 12 by 12 box. I'd suggest putting the light engine in a garbage bag and tie a knot in it. You can use peanuts. You can use bubble wrap, you can use balled up newspaper. It's going to weigh about 8.5 pounds. And I'd probably, go whatever you want, but FedEx seems to be the best price. And anyway, you ship this off to me, and it's 3 to 7, 3 to 10, 12 days. Depends upon how busy I am. And I'll get it back to you and it'll look like brand new. And I'll talk to you over the phone about turning the cooling system to high, which will give you a couple more years. So what you're going to get out of this is it's going to look brand new, like a brand new TV. It's going to last about 15,000 hours. And that's about 7 or 8 years, depends upon how much you watch TV. And the electronics, they don't go bad. They built these, this was like an $8,000 TV, 7,000. So the electronics are going to probably last from this date 20 more years. So the only other problem you might have to do is rebuild it one more time. And by then you might want to move on. Who knows? Maybe you'll want to keep it. I'm going to keep mine for the rest of my life. So I guess that's about it. Good luck and give me a call. My website is YOURSONYREFURB.com, and my email is yoursonyrefurb@gmail.com. And my phone, did I give my phone number yet? 801-920-7165. Thank you. Have a good day.